Any physician who has a valid license with patients residing in the Philippines can practice telemedicine. Telemedicine requires proficiency in digital communication skills, clinical acumen, knowledge of the technology and equipment to be used, while adhering to ethical practice.
During your consultation, you need a laptop, a cell phone, or both, stable internet, and a well-lit, quiet room. Set up your appointment to give your doctor your preferred time. Check your internet connectivity and available device. Click the link to view the consent. Read the consent forms carefully and know the advantages and limitation of telemedicine. If you are downloading the file using the Google Drive link, you need to send an email to the doctor to ask permission to download. Fill up the consent forms to give the doctor your contact details. Sign the form to show that you agree with the consent read. Send the signed consent form to your doctor via email. You are now ready to have your video consultation. If you have been disconnected or having difficulty with your internet, you can call your doctor via cell phone. After your consultation, please answer your feedback questionnaire. You are now done with your teleconsultation. Please check your email for your e-prescription and lab requests. There are 4 convenient ways to send money to your doctor as payment for their services. It's either GCash, PayMaya, PayPal, or bank transfer. If you have a GCash account, you can send the money through your mobile application by sending it to the mobile number of your doctor. If you have a PayMaya account, you can send money through the mobile app of PayMaya by putting the name of your doctor and his mobile number. If you have a PayPal account, you can send money to the email of your doctor. If you do not have a GCash, PayMaya, or a PayPal account, you can still send money through the following options. You can send money through pawn shops near you by using GCash, cash in at Cebuana Luilier, Villarica, Tambunting, Palawan, or PayMaya using RD Pawn Shop, Tambunting, and Palawan.
Where the moon and water meet, somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep.
You can also send money through convenience stores or department stores near you by cashing in at GCash using 7-Eleven, Robinsons, SM, or adding money at Ministop to the PayMaya account of the doctor.
Come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves.
You can also send money through supermarkets near you by adding money at PayMaya using Robinsons, Welcome, and Shopwise. Or you can send money by cashing in through GCash at Pure Gold, Save More, SM Hypermarket, and SM Supermarket.
Come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Come and fly away.
Another option is through payment facilities near you. Here are the list to add money at PayMaya or to cash in at GCash.
Journeys we are meant to take, something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
There are also options for remittances near you. Our last option is through bank money transfers. You can send them to the available banks of your doctor. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to know more about telemedicine, please like and subscribe my channel.